Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications about price drops on Pinterest and want a quieter, more focused browsing experience, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable in-app notifications for price drops on Pinterest with the most up-to-date steps for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look towards the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This takes you straight to your profile page, where you can access all your settings and saved pins. Next, at the very top of your profile page, tap on your profile picture. This will open up your account menu, giving you more options to customize your Pinterest experience. Now, look for the notifications option in the menu and tap on it. This section controls all the different ways Pinterest keeps you updated, from activity on your pins to shopping alerts. Scroll down until you see the shopping section. Here, you'll find a setting specifically for price drops. Tap on price drops to open up the notification preferences for this feature. You'll see a toggle for in-app notifications. If this is switched on, Pinterest will send you alerts inside the app whenever there's a price drop on items you've shown interest in. To turn these off, simply tap the toggle so it switches to the off position. And that's it. You've just disabled in-app notifications for price drops. Now, you can browse Pinterest without being interrupted by alerts about price changes. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back to on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and social media tutorials. See you in the next video.